Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Asphalt Legends Unite game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a redeem code in order to get various rewards within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and now within the Gameloft Connect section, you will see the redeem code button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now be provided the QR code that you can scan. You can also go into the link that is displayed underneath, and once you visit the link, you will be asked to enter your player ID. After entering your ID, tap on the verify button, and now you will be allowed to enter your redeem code. Just type in your code within the given box, and then click on the redeem button. The game will then check the legitimacy of the code that you entered, and once it matches, it will be applied to your account right away. And now the reward associated with the redeem code will also be provided to you. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.